Yo, what it is? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so right now I'm working on flushing the transmission fluid on the Civic. I already drained out the transmission fluid, and now what's left is to fill it back up. But I got something different. I have here a couple of bottles of Amsoil transmission fluid, and there were mixed reviews that this transmission fluid doesn't work with LSD motors. But in the case of the HN Civic SI, there's been quite a few people who say that this works with our transmissions, and so I'm gonna give it a shot. The reason why I'm putting in this transmission fluid is because I'm experiencing third gear pop out. And so what I mean is, when I go into third gear, sometimes it'll shoot right back out, and this happens randomly, probably like once every 10 times I go into third gear. Sometimes third gear won't even fully engage, and if I let go, it's gonna shoot out. Or if I hold it while depressing the clutch, it'll start making a lot of grinding noise. And besides the third gear pop out, a lot of people say that it makes shifting butter smooth. So, I mean, my shifting isn't that bad anymore. I no longer grind gears, but yo, if my shifting could be a lot better, I'm all for it, yo. I've never done a transmission flush, but to my understanding, you just drain it out and you just fill it back up until it starts pouring out of the fill bolt hole. So, yeah. But let's take a look at my transmission fluid. Looks kind of dark. It doesn't look too dirty. I mean, dirty would be like pitch black, right? Yeah, who knows? But shoot, let's pop this open and fill it up. Yeah.
Later.
Yo guys, I definitely wasn't prepared for this. Check this out. I didn't have a way to fill the transmission fluid, and so I had to improvise. I got like a random black tube, and I taped like a homemade funnel. So shout out to Ozark Water for this homemade funnel. I ain't gonna let not having the right tool hold me back. We're gonna make this happen. Yeah. Yo, do y'all think this is gonna work? I don't think so, but I really hope it does. Alright, let's do this thing. I think it's starting to drip. Yep, starting to drip. Darn, y'all really can't see it, but it's that bottom tube, and if you look hard enough, you can see it dripping right there. See? Yep. So we're Gucci. All right, so we got the engine back together, and now we're about to test drive the Civic with the new manual transmission fluid by Amsoil. Yeah. Okay. Feels about the same. Ooh, I think it does feel different, yo. It glides into each gear, no problem. Before it used to be pretty notchy, like it felt like I kind of had to force it to go into each gear, but yo, feeling Gucci. But alright, let's do this thing. Yeah. Woo. Eesh. What's all that noise? Am I rubbing on something? Hold up. Yo, I forgot to take the oil pan from under the car. Yo, dude, I'm tripping. Yo, the Civic is too low to even get the jack under here without being on freaking ramps. Well, sorry LJ, I gotta get you a new oil pan. Ooh, okay, just went into third gear and felt just like first and second. Oh yeah. Alright, second gear. Let's go third gear again. Woo! I like that. I do. I really do. Okay. Let's do this thing, mom. Woo! Third gear. No problem. Nice. Oh, what's that? You have an HN Civic too, but you have third gear pop out? Huh. I don't experience that no more. Second gear. Woo! It definitely feels like it goes into third gear like all the way. Third gear all the way. Because before it felt like it wouldn't really engage all the way, and sometimes when I put in third gear and let go of the shift knob, I'm kind of scared that it's gonna shoot back out. If it doesn't shoot out, it'll grind, and if it doesn't grind, it'll stay in third gear. So that's pretty sketchy, man. For it to happen like every once in a while, it's still sketchy because you can't drive comfortably knowing that you can't shift into third gear all the time easily. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I'm so glad that the transmission feels a lot better, especially third gear, man, because there's just so much stuff with the Civic, and with the simple transmission fluid change, it feels a lot better. And yo, that's way better than rebuilding the whole transmission.